In Venezuela, there's a place where lightning never seems to stop. It's called the Tumbo lightning, located over Lake Maracaibo. For about 260 nights a year, storms rage across the sky, flashing up to 280 times per hour. This eternal storm is so bright, it can be seen from 400 kilometers away. Scientists believe it's caused by unique wind patterns in the surrounding Andes Mountains. The phenomenon even holds the world record for the highest number of lightning strikes per square kilometer, a natural light show that's been illuminating the sky for centuries, a true wonder of nature.